on OK. Click on OK. Right. Why did you choose this testing? First question. Why did you choose this question? Why did you choose this testing? 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 First point, scope of getting job is very high. Scope of getting job is very high. Scope of getting job is very high. Why I am saying scope of getting job is very high? For example, in Hyderabad city, we have 2,000 companies. In Hyderabad city, we have 2,000 companies. These 2,000 companies may not maintain Java people, SAP people, .NET people, PHP people, but each and every software company compulsory they will maintain test engineers. That means each and every software company wants testers. This is each and every software company compulsory they will develop some projects or products. After developing the project or product, compulsory they need to do testing. That means each and every software company wants testers, not only in Hyderabad, wherever you go. If it is software company, compulsory they want testers. So scope of getting job is very, very high. Second point, no need to depend upon other technologies. No need to depend upon other technologies. Without knowing anything, we can learn these testing tools nowadays. Nowadays, BA become people also, they are doing this course. It's very easy to learn, and after course completion, easily we can keep the experience and we can try for job. After getting job also, we can manage job very easy. That's the reason non-IT background people as well as IT background people also, they are learning these testing tools nowadays. Not only in India, wherever you go, all the background people, they are learning these testing tools. That's the reason heavy competition only on testing. Not only in India, wherever you go, heavy competition only on testing. Why? Because here non-IT background people they are learning, IT background people they are learning, mainly also they are learning these testing tools. So heavy competition only on testing, and it is very, very cool job. Daily updations not required, and it is 9 to 6 job. So that's the reason most of the people nowadays they are choosing this testing. Third point, testing remains forever. Testing remains forever. So if for example, developers, if they want to develop any project, they will choose three technologies: Java or PHP or .NET. They will choose any of the technology. They will choose any of the technology. They will choose any of the technology and they will develop the application. So today leading technology is Java. Today leading technology is Java. Today leading technology is Java. Tomorrow Java will come. Day after tomorrow, Mava will come. If it is developed by any technology, compulsory we need to do testing. If it is developed by any technology, compulsory we need to do testing. So that means testing remains forever. That means testing remains forever. And the fourth point, I want consistent life. I want consistent life. That's the reason I'm choosing this testing. That's the reason I'm choosing this testing. Daily updations not required. So it is a very consistent job. So that's the reason most of the people nowadays they are choosing this testing. Okay. Second question, what exactly we required to get a job? What exactly we required to get a job? Tell me.
Confidence.
Okay, I have confidence. Can I communication?
Maybe some testing related works.
That means subject.
Yeah.
So communication is very, very first subject. Subject is very important. Communication also very important. Confidence is even more important. Confidence is even more important. If you want to do any job, or if you want to get a job, or if you want to do the job, after getting job also we can manage our job. So whenever after getting job also we can face a number of problematic situations. We need to face each and every problematic situation. That time also we need confidence. Confidence is very, very important. If you have confidence, you can get job anywhere in the world. If you have less subject, we can manage. If you have less communication, we can manage. If you have less subject, less confidence, we can't manage. So confidence is very, very important. Not only getting job, if you want to do business, if you want to do any other work, so confidence is very, very important. So three things also very, very important. And the fourth point, dynamism. Dynamically we should change. Dynamism also very, very important. Dynamically we should change based on the environment. We should change. For example, after this class completion you got job and you kept 3+ years of experience. Finally you got job in MNC company. First day you are going to software company, so you should behave like a professional. You should behave like a professional. Way of work, way of talk is different. You should behave like that. So you are kept you are the experienced person, so you should behave like that. So just dynamism means based on the situation. After getting job also we can face number of problematic situations. If you have dynamism, we can manage our job very easy. So management skills, that means dynamism. So if you have these four things, you can get job anywhere in the world. All right. Wherever you go, there are two types of companies. One is project based company, other one is product based companies. Wherever you go, there are two types of companies. One is project based company, other one is product based company. Just what do you mean by project? What do you mean by product? Frankly, just simply, just your own words, just you can tell. Okay, whatever it is, right or wrong, leave it. Just you should talk. That is basic qualification. Your educational qualification is not very, very important. You know, I will tell you a small example. MTech completed people in Hyderabad city, in front of high-tech city, they are doing security job. BA become people, completed people, they are doing software job in same high-tech city with 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs package per month. What is the main difference between them? So that is confidence. So just we should talk. Okay, we should talk something. We should talk right or wrong, leave it. I will not kill you. Okay, just you should talk something. Right or wrong, leave it. Just you should talk. That is basic qualification, sir. So what do you mean by project? What do you mean by product? Ram garu, just tell me. You are the experienced person, sir.
సార్ నేనేనా?
Hmm.
ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్
Hmm.
పర్టికులర్ కస్టమర్ కదా, కస్టమర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్.
Okay.
ప్రోడక్ట్ అనేది కంపెనీ స్పెసిఫికేషన్ విత్ మల్టిపుల్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ కదా, మల్టిపుల్ కస్టమర్స్.
Okay, right. Shabash, sir.
అయితే కరెక్ట్ మరి, అదే అనుకుంటున్నా.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, for example, ICICI Bank people want one software. ICICI Bank people want one software. So, they inquired which is the best software company for developing the software. Finally, they got information Infosys is the best. First, they will go to Infosys and they will tell the requirements. They are telling the requirements. They want one software. They want one software. That software they want to implement in. They want to implement in. They want one software. That software they want to implement in 150 branches in Hyderabad city. 150 branches in Hyderabad city. And that software should work in Windows 7 environment. That software work in Windows 7 environment. And that and also it supports, it need to support Windows 10 also. For requirements. So they want one software. That software they want to implement in 150 branches, not 15 branches, 150 branches in Hyderabad city. And that software should work in Windows 7 as well as Windows 10. So based on the customer requirements, if they develop that project, that is, if they develop the software, that is called project. Project is something that is developed based on the particular customer requirement and used by that particular customer only. The project based on the customer requirement they are developing, so that is called project. Based on the customer requirements, if it is any project developed by company, that is called based on the particular customer requirements. Based on the particular customer requirement, if it is any software developed by any company, that is called project. Project is something that is developed based on the particular customer requirements and used by that particular customer only. So he want one software, the software they want to implement 150 branches in Hyderabad city, and that software should work in Windows 7 and should work with Windows 10. Based on the customer requirements, if they prepare project, that is called, if they prepare software, that is called project. Okay, right. Microsoft people, they are introducing one software into market. They are introducing one X software into market. They are introducing one X software into one market. Based on their requirement they developed, based on their requirement they developed, they released into market. If you are interested, you can buy and you can use it. So that is called product. Product is something that is developed based on the company specification and used by multiple people. Or after delivering into market, multiple people can't, just based on the multiple people they released that X software, that is called product. Product is something that is developed based on the company specification. Based on the company specification, released into market. After releasing into market, number of people will use that one. So that is called product. Product is something that is developed based on the company specification and used by multiple people. Okay, right. So project to product to definition is over. Project is something that is developed based on the particular customer requirements and used by that particular customer only. That is called project. Product is something that is developed based on the company specification and used by multiple people. That is called product over. So in Amirpet, 9th floor building, I am buying 901 flat. This is project or product? In Amirpet, I'm buying you 901 in the apartment. I am buying you 901 flat. That is project or product?
The product.
Why it is product?
ఆల్రెడీ బిల్డ్ చేసింది మనం కొంటాం కదా, సో ఇట్స్ వాళ్ళ స్పెసిఫికేషన్స్ ప్రకారం వాళ్ళు కట్టి ఉంటారు. సో వి బై ఇట్. మనం బిల్డ్ చేసింది కాదు, మనం డిజైన్ చేసింది కాదు కాబట్టి.
Yes, it is a product. Already they constructed. Just I am buying one flat. So based on my requirement, they didn't. So just based on their requirements, based on their specification, they developed. Just I am buying. So that is called product. Okay. In Namirpet, Maitron opposite have individual space. I am constructing duplex house. It is project. Project is something that is developed based on the particular customer requirements. Based on my requirements, I am constructing. So that is called project. Now, based on this example, tell me what do you mean by quality? What do you mean by defect? What do you mean by quality? Based on this example only, what do you mean by quality? What do you mean by defect? What do you mean by quality? What do you mean by defect?
కస్టమర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ప్రకారం బిల్డ్ చేసినందుకు అది క్వాలిటీ. ఒకవేళ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటే అది డిఫెక్ట్ కిందకే కదా అది.
Okay. Quality is nothing but justification of the particular customer requirements. If it is justify all the customer requirement, that is called quality. Based on the customer requirements, if they prepare anything, that is called quality. If it is anyone deviated, that is called defect. Okay. Customer said 4 requirements. If they fulfill all the customer requirements, that is called quality. If it is any requirement deviated, so that is called a defect. So these 4 terms regularly we will use in software company. So if it is fresher or if it is experienced person, these 4 terms: project, product, quality, defect. Okay, right. For example, ICICI Bank people want one software. They inquired which is the best software company for developing the software. Finally, they got information Infosys is the best. So first they will go to Infosys and they will tell the requirements. They will tell the requirements. After telling the requirements, they will give one estimation. They will give one estimation. They will give one estimation. So ICICI Bank people want software. They ICICI Bank people want one software. They inquired which is the best software company for developing the software. Finally, they got information Infosys is the best. First of all, they will go to Infosys and they will tell the requirements. After telling the requirements is just we discussed. So they want one software. They want to implement that software in 150 branches in Hyderabad city. Based on the 150 branches, they will give one estimation like 3 months time and 3 crore rupees. 3 months time and 3 crore rupees. If they feel both people, if they feel reasonable, then both people they will write official agreement. 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 That official agreement in software company we will call bidding the project. In software company we are calling bidding the project. Bidding the project. This is the software term. In real life we will call official agreement. In real life we will call official agreement. In our real life we will call official agreement. In real life we will call official agreement, or we can call signed off. So ICICI Bank people want one software. They inquired which is the best software company for developing the software. Finally, they got information Infosys is the best. First, they will go to Infosys and they will tell the requirements. After telling the requirements, based on the requirements, they will analyze this project is possible or not. We can develop or not. They will analyze. After analyzing the requirements, they will give one estimation. Based on the requirements only, they will give estimation. So 3 months time and 3 crore rupees. After estimation, if they feel both people, if they feel reasonable, then they will write official agreement. That official agreement we can call bidding the project or signed off. After signed off, each and every software company they will conduct one meeting. That meeting name is kick-off meeting. After official agreement, each and every software company they will conduct one meeting. That meeting name is kick-off meeting. Kick-off meeting is nothing but this is the first meeting or initial meeting conducted in the software company soon after the project is signed off. After official agreement, they will conduct one meeting. That meeting name is kick-off meeting. Kick-off meeting is nothing but this is the first meeting or initial meeting conducted in the software company soon after the project is signed off. In this meeting, high-level management people will be participate. In this meeting, high-level management people will be participate. In this meeting, high-level management people will be participate. So in this, why they are conducting this meeting, they want to intimate all the information to high-level authorities. That's the reason they are conducting this meeting. That meeting name is kickoff meeting. This is the first meeting or initial meeting whenever the customer is came to company or approaching the company after taking the requirements, after giving the estimation, and they will conduct one meeting. That meeting name is kickoff meeting. Kickoff meeting is nothing but this is the first meeting or initial meeting conducted in the software company soon after the project is signed off. In this meeting, high-level management people will be participate like team managers, team leads, quality leads, quality managers. So high-level management people will be participate in this meeting only. So in this meeting, they will select one project manager for particular project. They will select one project manager for this particular project. So they will select one project manager for this particular project. After selecting this project manager, he will prepare one mail and he will send it to CEO of software company. He will prepare one mail and he will send it to CEO of software company. That is called PIN. PIN means project initiation note. He will prepare one mail and or note. He will send it to CEO of software company. So that is called project initiation note. Project initiation note. Project initiation note. It is a note prepared by project manager and sent to CEO of software company in order to get the permission to start this particular project. He will prepare mail like, sir, this is Akhil Reddy. Yesterday we conducted kickoff meeting. I got selected as a project manager. Please give the permission to start this particular project. He will prepare a mail and he will send it to CEO of software company. So after getting the permission, so we can start the project. That is called project initiation note. It is a note prepared by project manager and sent to CEO of software company in order to get the permission to start this particular project. After getting the permission, we can start the project. So first concept in testing, that is SDLC. First concept in testing, that is SDLC, software development life cycle.